Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're exploring the Olaplex Wash and Shine Hair Kit, an all-in-one hair care set designed to cleanse, hydrate, and control frizz for up to 72 hours. This kit includes the No. 4 shampoo, No. 5 conditioner, and the No. 7 bonding oil, formulated to strengthen hair, boost shine, and protect from heat up to 450 grease hours. Olaplex is known for its innovative bond-building technology, and this trio is sulfate-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and free from a long list of harsh ingredients, which is always a plus. The shampoo and conditioner aim to reduce breakage, detangle, and nourish, while the bonding oil is meant to add that extra shine and heat protection, ideal for anyone who styles their hair with heat tools. In my experience, integrating this kit into my routine was straightforward. The shampoo lathers nicely without stripping moisture, and the conditioner feels rich yet doesn't weigh my hair down, which is a delicate balance that not all brands manage well. The bonding oil absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue, but a smooth, shiny finish. I tested the kit over a few weeks, including days when I styled with my straightener, and I did notice less frizz and a visible improvement in hair strength and shine. On the downside, the price point is on the higher end for a shampoo conditioner set, and some may find the fragrance a bit strong, although it's not overpowering. Also, while the heat protection claims are solid, the oil can feel a little heavy if you apply too much, so a light hand is essential. Pros: strengthens hair and reduces breakage effectively, hydrates without heaviness, controls frizz impressively for up to 72 hours, provides strong heat protection up to 450 grace Fahrenheit. Clean formulation free from sulfates, parabens, and other harsh chemicals. Cons: premium price tag, slightly strong scent that may not suit everyone. Bonding oil can feel heavy if over-applied. When compared to other high-end hair care kits, Olaplex stands out for its patented bond-building technology, which few brands can match. Its multifunctionality, shampoo, conditioner, and oil that work in harmony, is a strong selling point. Some drugstore alternatives offer hydration and frizz control, but often fall short on repairing damage at the molecular level, like Olaplex promises. The packaging feels sturdy and premium, reflecting the brand's luxury positioning. The shampoo and conditioner come in sizable bottles, and the oil is well-sized for daily use. In terms of longevity, with regular use, you can expect noticeable improvements in hair texture and health within a few weeks, which aligns with Olaplex's reputation. Although I haven't needed to contact Olaplex customer support myself, the brand generally enjoys a solid reputation for responsive service and product quality assurance, which adds confidence when investing in their products. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners from brands like Shea Moisture or Briogeo that offer hydration and frizz control, but without the specialized bond repair technology. These could be good alternatives if your hair needs hydration more than repair. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap it up, the Olaplex Wash and Shine Hair Kit is an excellent choice if you're serious about strengthening your hair, managing frizz, and protecting it from heat damage, especially if your hair has been compromised by styling or chemical treatments. It's particularly well-suited for anyone wanting salon-level care at home and who doesn't mind investing a bit more for proven results. Thanks so much for watching. If you've tried this kit, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experience. The link to purchase is in the description box or comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.